Is your Xero profile looking bare? Clients notice. Seriously, when they look you up, a blank or outdated profile can make you seem less established, less professional. But here is the good news. You can fix that today, right now, in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you exactly how to fill it out, so you look polished and builds client confidence instantly. So here's the plan. We are going to walk through logging in, updating your basic info, and then saving it all. It is really straightforward. Let me show you. We start with logging into your Xero account. Go ahead and open it up and get signed in. This part is simple. Just use your email and password, like you normally do. Once you are in, we have everything we need right at your fingertips. Now, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It might be a little silhouette or the first letter of your name. Click on that. This is where all your personal settings live, so it is the gateway to making your profile look great. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This takes you to the main page where you can edit your details. It is like your digital business card, so let us make sure it is saying the right things. Now, find the section labeled Basic Information. This is the core of your profile. It is usually the first thing you see on this page. Go ahead and click on that area. We are going to fill this out piece by piece. Start with your first name. Type it in just like you would introduce yourself to a new client. Make sure it is spelled correctly. Then move on to your last name. Again, double-check the spelling. Little details like this show you are careful. Now add your job title. This is important. Think about what your clients would search for or what role you play in their success. Maybe it is accountant or bookkeeper or CFO. Be specific. This helps people immediately understand your expertise. And here is the really fun part. Write a brief bio. You do not need a novel here. Just a sentence or two about what you do and why you love it. Something like, I help small businesses stay organized and stress-free. It makes you feel more human and approachable. Keep it professional but warm. Then select your location. This is great for local clients or just giving people a sense of where you operate. Click the drop-down and pick your country or region. It is a small touch that adds a lot of credibility. All right, now for the most important step. Review all the information you just entered. Read it over carefully. Check your name, your job title, your bio. Make sure there are no typos and that everything sounds right. You want a polished, confident finish. Finally, click the Save button. It is usually a blue button at the bottom of the section. That is it. Your profile is now complete and up to date. It took maybe 3 minutes, and now when clients visit your profile, they see a professional, trustworthy version of you. Keep your profile current. You can always come back here and update it whenever your role changes or you have something new to share. It is one of those simple things that makes a big difference in how you are perceived. Thanks for following along. Now go out there and show your clients your best self.